nisamehe kwa hiyo. Subiri kwanza. Nikuelezee ukweli.
Unieleza nini na kuuliza unieleza nini?
Sasa wewe unaona.
Unieleza nini sio video mimi nimekoma. Unieleza nini sio video mimi.
Life got better.
Getembe TV Chinsa ni Ikomi mutenyino yokane mwaka chiri bubere 2025 Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchera yobwenye ntengatere ni Nyaboga Kevin ongere kuri studio ya kabere na korwa somonwa oribwe bimanyire tore nere Wilson Makori kaba na into iko mwere tokumanyigaria egati ari abereka wateka kurwachi county emerongene na isano na ibere Chinsa yeito ya Kenya na togo chaka nigo ya mate ya mokorwa ekenyoro kere kya kerora kigotoka ewodi ya Kemera ebungi ya kitutu masaba county ya Nyamira gesokire na gosaba kuburia osoko saba obokonyi eribanyare konyora chibesa barachinyare kurwariria omwanchi obo ose omwamata obo asireta Victoria Nyangayigu oyobwate obororo bwa kansa aswekire stage ya gatatu boniga chibicha nabo igori ogiria Victoria asembeo
na kinete bija arenge bija mbata maisonsi katika bere kare na korete skuru gana nyomiru 2018 ngataga kurwarira iso rikataga kubarira buna tigosore nyameju ikangya gukina igachega ikira nyanja bagante basinyuru umuchando uyu bakandifa Kenyatta Nation kenene ka Kenyatta bagante yu umuchando uyu obeiro manene ego bidindu siweriso dindi affect eri karinde nkaba karana rusiku nkabuga nabwenere andi kana kore metien saba andi ngataga kurwara ebigote nare gintu giachite buna chigosoria gatonoiga karenga gakara kindi karokuga kuna ga ku move karenge mobile akanta kukakangya gukina ritani nkabuga tonsils chiarenge kedana enda nyaktari nande general bakandifa Kenyatta kedana enda Kenyatta bagatemba ente nkora operation barusi nyameti bono kanyia beire chiare kororekana ibe bakarusi nyametru chigapimu kachiapimu bakanyachi kwate kansa baganteimbwente bono guchaka okora rukemo na radio ngakona kwana nabanyagitari akabatei baturifaya baturusi Mombasa batorete Kenyatta Nairobi no turanyora abairi muntu igano na stoko berera nabo batwanjete bagatwera faro back tukaire na Kenyatta no ngete nkuna kwenda guchekeku bono igaikumwa koyo iga Feb bakanyora
Roboto ru asenchera yobwekera ni Chinsa ibere nabo igo Chinsa nyeche botuko bwa rero Porkap okara nagendete goko rwariganeria na no chikoro nyora Chinsa cha senchira ere yobwekirano na hatogo skabosio mo waziri omukoro boborendi boime omoske Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigo akora egikaro na barai abanene kurwase ensemeri ya upinzani gose ensemeri ya yokuyamereria eserekari ekenakyo egikare getangani nabo yokyarenge egikaro egeti
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biliya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori lyabantabati buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani wochoganire erangiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene eduka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amarietane neri kimisuko na eri kimisuko no manyagetaria imeye nyagetaria nuga pesi ni nyagetaria gotoka somo chubo songo ebwato obokoreri bwayo buyakigima nakobwa mone gotumeka chi machine chekerero echi chiarure korwa sense ya South Korea nuga pesi etobwato obokoreri boito gaiga nakobwa mono twakonyiro mugusia asa atambe twaberire gaiga asege kegetambe korwa mwako 2018 mugusi onde bwensi obwate mechando wao unabono mochando bwegetekio mogongo gugwatia amagora kobimba mochando bwa arthritis manyinga waka igoro mochando bwa sukari amona moroira manga arese mebere yeito oitana ni nyagetali chinyinge nendo taranyoro bobwenia ne sengenjo ataratarire nyagetali to yanuga pesi elinda nyoro bobwenia obwega boito aiga nuga pesi ntori kobara ntori kobete sindani ntori kwa Mario Gandon siyo kobekera chemical somubere etogo koa obobwenia boito bwekerero obwo gotumeka chi machine na kobwa mono chindetere chiana no diamond tomenium
nilitaliana igongoro kumera ni kwambuka one gento na rochege kone igona nyore to buruire mwake 2002 oburuire obuna akire korinya getali na irunya getali paka bwasinyire bono ngoteba ngonde bwensi ura toke ngana no buruire buno bobwa mauga boko bimbyo mubiro yo gwati wotali korara era tigaike gaige senya getali anu ga pesti elinde mokonje munanji gwetenga yankonyire tinare ko nyara konchole bigoti na gwe kumba lakini bono ko nyara konchole bigoti nyigwetenga bono ngo na gwende ngo gwe nande bono
Samarieta kongoro kwa Estanyarik ayande ngoro ku madam director korwa se enyagitali ya nuga pesti nogo tonyora asama gacho Uhuru Towers second floor pirongo yakabere kegusi twakwariganirie togokonye omobero obe buya amanyinga atare buya omobero ore buya noro konyara kurigia enibo nuga best nige gotoka asama gacho Uhuru Towers ye building yege sinyaine emteira igotore Kenya Women igoro pirongo yakabere egento ndakikishere omogusi yo minto nuga besi nero yokere aso mochio bosongo timo ngaineka emekoro nemenge yachire se chinambe china chinaba obwenete gutwakira tuba oboshauri boisaine motonyore tubakonye twakonyira abange
asamange nabuko bakirisimi gwetrasi chinamba chiabo 0700260518 gose 0784955717 gose 0705860053 Nuga Best gotanga mbuya kubwa kogwenia.
This March on Star Times. Enjoy non-stop drama, romance, and intrigue. Renew your subscription to enjoy intense battles in a fight for survival on Gangs of Manila. The gripping tale of fate on Wild Heart.
I loved you so much.
Heartwarming power of dreams on Hands on the Dream. Love against all odds on Soulmates. The flutter of love at first sight on Eclipse of the Heart.
You've also become the queen of my heart.
Renew your subscription today to never miss a moment of the best of global dramas on your StarTimes decoder. Download the StarTimes On app to enjoy unlimited entertainment anytime, anywhere. StarTimes. Enjoy digital life.
Anchumuria togo sabo kwabera natoko genda muto magigaya abantu batano goitwa naboyo gosiria obugima bwaye ase chisegi chiane kigo aigatiyo kungusana na kwa banyanyimbo naboigo abamenyi bense emiri ya Ngata Parikoi egotoka county ya Narok chisegi chiare ntetwe nene mono igoriyo kungusana na kwa boremo asense meyo niko muwaziri woborendi bwemi Mosque Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen eso kirena kugikiria inganiyo asatebire niko bono botukibora achie gochakigo igoriyo ikiria kiairete ogochakiwa naboigo ogoitwa kwa bantabu.
Sad occurrence for us in the national security team. We feel very sad because our duty is to make sure that lives are protected and land issues can easily be resolved peacefully. It shouldn't be really lead to any loss of life. Investigations are not yet done or even complete, because we need to establish the circumstances under which the 5 civilians died, and if as has been suspected that police officers were involved, what was the circumstance that the police officers engaged the civilians, and whether the situation it was warranted that kind of force, and therefore the investigations will determine whether there is excess use of force, and if there was excess use of force, who was responsible. The also investigation will establish whether the persons who perpetrated these acts against also the police officers, what was their motive and why did they do it and who are they. So on both sides we are going to do thorough investigations. We are also going to deal with every person who is involved in inciting violence or using force to resolve issues. So for now, I just want to say our condolences to all the families of those who lost their loved ones. Our sympathies are with all those who are injured, including the police officers, and we pray for quick recovery for everyone who is injured. We have done everything possible to reinforce the security in the area. We will continue doing so over the night.
Ambassador wensi ya China imensi ya Kenya Moscow Mosubati Wohian nigo akwanere tare murai wensi ya Kenya Moscow William Dr. William Samoei Ruto goche a senseria ya China na mono okuigwana babegete no murai wensi ya China ase airere sector a ona boigo chinsemo a Kenya erache kubotrana nenseria ya China.
The two heads of state witnessed the signing of 20 cooperation documents in such fields as the cooperation plan on jointly promoting Belt and Road Initiative, education and training, people-to-people and culture exchanges. The two countries issued joint statements and signed a series of cooperation documents, providing strong and clear guidance for the future development of our bilateral relations. China-Kenya cooperation will promote modernization in both countries and benefit the two peoples. In the meeting, President Xi Jinping noted that no matter how the international landscape may evolve, China's principle of sincerity, real results, amity, and good faith toward Africa will not change. The original aspiration of China and Africa supporting each other in trying times will not change. The fundamental
Manene bobokoreri bwa serikali umuske Felix Kosgei nigo agendete kora egeikaro kiabakori emirimo bwa serikali ase university eri ya Moi Eldoret gukwana ekerekyo nigo abakori emirimo abo bwa serikali baburi kubeka umukia ase chiwizara usase chinsemo achiri bakora emirimo nabo igo kokorera abakenya emirimo batabugati bwanchirire nabo igo bwo babonde bwensi.
Kenya's regulatory landscape was marred by fragmentation, overlapping mandates, and widespread capacity deficits, symptoms that diminish investor confidence, corrode public trust, and obstruct our collective developmental goals.
Then the issue of overlap, what the counties are responsible for vis-a-vis what the national government is, and then the different regulators who are probably having cross-cutting responsibilities. And I would give a very good example of an experience that we are currently dealing with. Kenya Bureau of Standards, Anti-Counterfeit Authority, and then you also have the consumer protection agencies, where you find some entities have given themselves the responsibility that is either meant for the Anti-Counterfeit Authority or Kenya Bureau of Standards. Interestingly, they are backed by our laws. You find they've even managed to sneak and have gazette notices that gives them some of these powers.
A number of regulators among us remain anchored in outdated practices and appear committed to preserving the status quo. While your mandates are well defined, the inertia and reluctance to fully embrace reform continue to undermine the delivery of premium services to the Kenyan people.
We will never have enough resources.
Do your job. No one will do any harm if you do your job.
Mugavana we county ya Machakos umuske umusubati wa vinyandeti ni garurege kuregetindia uchiasa abantu bali bakwa kana amake irikonyora emirimo nabo igo abantu bali bagosaba amake eri banyare kwenda na emirimo anena mono ase chiserekari chechi county okwana ekerekyo ni umusubati ndeti atebire ni gondo bwensi imensi ya Kenya usaba abantu ni go babonete okora chigasi chiri babete bagosomera.
Wewe ukienda kupatiana, mimi sijasikia wameitisha pesa, lakini wewe ukipatiana hadi pesa, udanganywe na watu huko nje. Mwambie watu wetu huko nje, mtu akidanganyana apatiane pesa. Si ni shauri yake? Na hakuna pesa, hakuna kazi ya kununua Machakos. Number one, you're struggling. Ukitafuta pesa si wewe ndio uko mwisho. Ukitafuta kazi si uko mwisho. Alafu naambiwa ulipe pesa ndio upatiwe kazi. I've told chairman and I want to thank you chairman. Hiyo maneno mimi sitaki kusikia. And we agreed mimi wale walikuwa wanafanya hivyo tunawajua na tumeanza kuwafanya hivi. Tunaelewana? Because if you come to us for work wewe umefika mwisho wa dunia. Alafu naenda unaambiwa chukua loan upatie mtu. Hiyo kazi umepata, hiyo loan utalipa miaka ngapi? Will you even enjoy your work? Yes, na sisi kama binadamu lazima tukuwe na program. Ndio nimeingia hapa, I'll be promoted, I'll be trained, I will be put in the right position that I should be. Can you imagine I found a lawyer being a garbage collection supervisor? Speaking, is that right? Na unajua kuna wengi wamewekwa kwa zile kazi sio za I have
Kitageka emeronge bere na yamo gore Chinsa Ikomi cheri tukerigari ya Jumane chitariki emeronge bere na kianda Chinsa ibere na Chinsa nyeche botuko bwarero haruni ototo nyangiri na chokoreta yamo na yanda mange asenchira ere yobo kiro ngenda gotwara burigiri borobuya ase miroburions ya Getembe TV ko bote nchenga tere Nyaboga Wilson Makori koroso mono bwimanyirio kevinonge nero yende tokone kebuna chibichechi na marogi wekera chira asenchira yobo kiro nutumira ne ritkoria Alhamis.
Eskuru ya Advent Hope igutuka Chinsa mukiri ky'amaliba nigo ekurwa amasomo asibirengo gucakira kirigense yani playgroup wika grade 6 asiskure yani go bwate obukoreri ao nabono mbabwate obukoreri bwa boarding ngurwa bali obusombi yani transport system computer ko curriculum activities egati obukoreri bonde obonge nigo bagutuka Chinsa mukiri ky'amaliba kimita 200 korasi